I will not call it as a protest, but it is a gathering for this dog who was brutally killed on last Friday. We named him Teer, and this is basically to raise the awareness. So whoever is actually thinking of doing anything like this, you will think at least 5 times, and this is absolutely not acceptable to kill a living being so brutally, and then throw him in the water. I'm sorry, I'm not really prepared for this.
I don't know what to say. This is just a total act of brutality. This man shouldn't be on the streets. If he can do that to an animal, he can do it to a human being. He's already got a charge sheet against him. The workers that filmed the video of the dog being beaten had been beating themselves for giving this dog water. They were frightened for their own lives. They're out-of-state workers. This is a very sad occasion for all of us. I feed over 100 dogs in Sholim, and this could happen to any of my dogs at any time. Just doing this protest for Teer and to help Malika get through this and get justice for this dog and get this man put in prison.
The action has not been taken.
He's been arrested twice but released. He was released on a 200 rupees bond, and he, as far as we know, he's been made to go to the police station every day, but that's all that's happened so far. The police are being very cooperative and doing all that they can in this matter. What now is to get justice for this dog, that this man cannot be allowed to roam the streets. He's already threatened Malika. She's made a complaint against him already.
Any action taken against towards this man, it just helps there not be more tears. It's going to scare people from committing such heinous crimes, and that example is only going to be set when he's arrested.
म्हाका फोन केलो अशें केला ते म्हणजे ते पेट्याक मारला आनी तेका दोरयेन मारून येयलो ओडून व्हरोन उदकान उडयलो. मागीर आमी पावल्या तेन्ना हांव गेला आनी थंयच्यान मागीर आमी फ्लोटींग बोट व्हरोन आमी थंयच्यान पेट्याक हाडला फ्लोटींग जातालो तेका हांगार हाडून आनी मॅडमीक कॉल केला आनी सांगलें अशें इन्सिडंट घडला. ती येयली 5 मिनटान पावली. तिणें मागीर तेंचे कोण आसा एनिमल रेस्क्यू तांकां कॉल केला आनी तांकां आपयलें.
जे आसा ते कितें घडलां ते सारकें पळोवपाक दृश्य वायट आसलें. कितें तूं मॅसेज कितें दिवंक सोदता ह्या बद्दल? इन फ्युचर अशें कितें जावंक फावना?
हांव सांगता असल्या मनशांक डायरेक्ट जेल आनी काय करपाचें ना हेज्यान.
नो एक्सक्यूज.
नो एक्सक्यूज.
गोंयचो कायदो आहा तो हेज्याकून स्ट्रिक्ट जावपाक जाय अशें दिसना.
हा
गोंयचो कायदो आसा तो सारको हे आसा.
गोंयचो कायदो आसा तो 200 रुपयाचो कायदो. 200 रुपयान बेल दिताय.
स्ट्रिक्ट जाय दिसना तुमकां?
तो आमकां स्ट्रिकूच जाय अशें हें न्हू 200 रुपीजान.
पुलिसान आपल्या तरेन कशें काम केलें?
पुलीस येयले पंचनामा केले गेले. मागीर फुडें कितें जालां तें आमकां खबर ना. थंयसर डिसिजन आसा सगळो लोक आसा तेज्या वांगडा हांवूय आसा. तेंचो डिमांड घेया आमी आसा तेंच्या वांगडा.
एक्शन जावपाक जाय तुजें.
हय.
I'm a dog guardian from South Africa. I work with extremely poor communities looking after dogs, and I want to say something. At no time, if a dog kills a cat, must there be intervention from a human. When we are dealing with sensitive circles of life and a natural environment, we have to be understanding of why dogs and cats are roaming free and how they live and treat each other. We have no right to take a sentient life, and most especially any animal that cannot speak for itself. Thank you very much. Inspiration all over the world at the moment, and a collective of something disastrous, that if we don't take care of the earth and Mother Nature, things are going to get out of hand. We need to put things in place so that this doesn't happen.
Even inhuman is a small word to use when you do that to somebody, because humans were given intelligence, not these creatures. So what was that intelligence given for? Responsibility was given to humans to look after God's creatures. They look up at us as God. If we are going to treat dog, opposite of dog is God. If we are going to treat them badly, God is going to treat us badly. See what's happening to the world today. I'm asking even the government at the center, wake up now. See what's happening in the world today. God is retaliating through humans only. I mean, it's time to change if you won't have compassion, how will he have compassion on us? You're not having compassion on those humans are not having compassion on those who look up at us as gods. And that's how a dog looks at a human. When he takes you as a master, you're his god. And you treat him like this kind of cruelty that is unacceptable. You face it, humans. Face it. Even I'm telling the government at the center, I'm hearing a lot about dogs did this, dogs did that. A lot of things have happened with the court, with dogs. And I've been retaliating. There are lovely people here who have come, who care. That's why God is keeping this world alive, because of them. You humans are alive and doing well in this world because such great people care. They have a heart. So they are going by what God did, given us responsibility. They are taking care of those responsibility to look after these voiceless creatures. And then you are so cruel.